Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all will be good and you all are welcome to our channel English Fun with Words, and today we will learn 5 or more words which are built on the one root, and today the root is optikos. Optikos means eye, it also means vision and many other things. So eye and vision, we have the 5 words: optician, optometrist, ophthalmologist, ocular, monocle, and we also have the more bonus words that you can learn of the one root. Let us look at the meaning of these words and how the words have been constructed. The first word is optician. Optis, eye, yeah, vision, and ician is expert. So optician is expert in vision, expert in vision. So who is expert in vision? Optician. Optician is actually a doctor who has expertise in vision. So it's called optician. Optician also belongs to a businessman who sells opticals, spectacles, you can say spectacles, which means chasma. So spectacles. Optician is a person who sells spectacles, or a person who has the expert in vision, who has expertise in eyes related problems. Now second word is optometrist. Opto from optis. Optis means vision, and metrist from the metron means measure. So person who measure vision, person who measures vision is called optometrist. Optometrist is compounder, you can say compounder. He is not a doctor. Compounder in medical sciences, especially in eye hospitals. So optometrist is a person who measures vision. Now next word, ophthalmologist. Ophtho from the optikos, and mologist, which means expert. IGST, it is very familiar and very useful adjectival suffix. So ophthalmologist also means the same as the optician means. It also means expert in vision. The person who is eye doctor, simple word. Eye doctor is called ophthalmologist. Eye doctor, ophthalmologist. Now ocular is related to eye, something easily seen. So ocular is something which is easily seen. You can say this house is ocular to me. This house is ocular to me. Ocular to me, which means ocular, it means visible to me. Visible to me. So you can say ocular means easily seen, visible. Now monocle. Mono means one, and ocal, which means eye. So which means single eye. But monocle is generally used in the artificial terms, which means one lens. You can say the pirate, which is the samudri daku pirates, they have the only one eye, and second eye is covered with a cloth. So this is called the monocle. The person who have only one eye, he is one eye blinded. One-eyed man is called monocle. One-eyed man. Now we have the 2 more bonus word which is built on the opticos. Let us see these words, what these words are. First is inoculate, second is binocular. Inoculate, it means under or inside. Ocular means eye, and late means to get in. So inoculate means to put something in, to put something in a hole. Yeah, eye. Hole is also called eye. You know, the bird of a potato is called an eye because it is an hole in it. So inoculate means to put something inside someone. When the syringe is put in your body, syringe which you put in your body during vaccination is called inoculate. Inoculate means to get in, to put something in, put something in your body is called inoculate. Now binocular, durbin. Bi means two, and ocular means eye. So two eye. In monocle, we have learned that one eye in artificial term, one lens, or the person who has lost one eye. Binocular means two eye, also in artificial terms. Artificial terms. So binocular means some scientific object which is used to actually magnify the object around you. So binocular means in Hindi you can say दूरबीन. Durbin, binocular durbin. I hope you all have understood and learned this meaning of these words. So please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel for learning more and more new and funny words from the One Root. So thank you.